Morning. How are you enjoying this day, man? You see, when I'm thinking about these YouTube videos and this newfound preaching job, honestly, it's a journey. It's a journey. You remember that concept of dressing up, going outside, and just be happy? How do you feel about my encounter with nature, my conversation with life? Yeah, this is where we're going, you know. You remember that peaceful abode up there? Yes. That's a peace I found, you know, why the world was heads over heels over, again, one new pandemic or scamdemic, if you want to call it. I'm not used to prescribing the terms I'm using to define what this life has taught me. What did this life really teach you, Kronos? Oh, look at this beautiful design in the grass. That looks sweet. Let's take an aerial view. That's how nature, the sun, is admiring the tiny us on earth. We don't even have the size of a tree, yet we think our opinions run the world. Nice try, you know, nice try, but that's not the case. Because in my appreciation of life and understanding of human reality, your life is in your hands. Don't let anyone say you they are dreaming. We are all a design. No one is greater than the other. No one knows more than the other. You may have an idea. It doesn't mean you know the world, you see. The world is big, it's vast, it's humongous, What is your idea? Your thoughts, just one thought in your mind. What can it change to this air that is blowing? You love listening to gurus, to men of God, to this and that. Every other person that's just trying to debilitate you even further from yourself. Because there's just you, you know. When you want to drink water, it's you. When you want to complain about something, you talk about everybody else. Bullshit. Okay. That's what you call the rubbish of life. Ungratefulness. Yeah? That's what being human is. Never realizing the air is blowing. I am alive. You know? Like, breathe in that good ass prana. Raise in the vibration. Just like my friend Ralph Smart usually says, you know. Life is all about you guys. Okay? You have one idea. To be honest, there are about 7.9 billion ideas on earth. You want to sit and think yours has priority over any other? Go ahead, try, show us what you've got. You know, this is what is called life. I love you all, dear humans. It is not an act of appreciation. It is an act from the heart. I love you. Whatever you do is good. But just remember, there comes a time when a child knows your father. And if they don't, yes, I smack. Okay? And I smack very hard. Because that's me. That's my nature. Okay? Like, you know, think what you want. There is a me acting. Okay? Love does not mean I will let you do everything you want to do, even insulting me. Or challenging me for that matter. So yeah, because in life there is no challenge. No, from humans, there is no challenge. You can't. Stop dreaming. Okay? Your gurus went ahead. You know? Your gurus or your black magic practitioners from India. They wanted to recreate creation to say, yes, the first man on earth was an Indian idiot. It didn't work. Sorry, it didn't work. You see. I know my work. I know my worth. I know my standing. I know my place in the pantheon of life. You see, in this massive place that you call human creation. Okay, there is a Kiki Desailly, you know. There is a Kronos Raw standing, indomitable, always there, just preaching his good news of the kingdom freely. I don't want you to join me on courses. No. If you have to join somebody for anything, that's coming you. Because you have to pay them, you know? It's air. Okay? Life is an interaction. Interactions have been made monetized. Okay? Now that money has gotten, anything you do, it requires you to get paid. I refuse your money. Okay? I do refuse. Money did not come from you. My standard is gold. So you see, you cannot bring your substandards and then you want the whole world to ascribe to it as if you were anything. No, bro, it doesn't work like that. Okay. There is a standard. Sonar is the standard. Gold is the name. Kronos Raw is the presence, you know. Yeah. I've been itchy at home, you know, to come out to visit. You see, this is Medusa, okay? For all those who are looking, Medusa is not human, yeah? Okay? This is Medusa. You see all the heads rolling. Okay. You admire her majesty. Yeah. Silent and powerful. You see how she runs the show. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You see. So when I am in the presence of a character and energy like Medusa, bro, you are all dead. Okay, and it's not even something like I want to kill us. No. You will keep reading about the past. Okay. Well, we are returning into the past, and you know what the past is. Okay. When Medusa enters the scene, it means your head will get chopped off. If you don't want to realize where you are and where you stand in the pantheon of creation. This is the Happiness Counselor transmitting from Brownstone, not far from early stones, the first stones of civilization, as life in a white world Started in Leicester. You know, all stories recorded, everything put in place. You can't fault. And we have a beautiful friend there, chatting with nature. So, now that we have a glimpse of what history is, what do we think it should be? Shall we make it? Or shall we let other people dictate to us what our life should look like? I mean, do you really imagine yourself listening to somebody telling you what to do with your life day in, day out? Is that a life? You can't choose to be a prisoner or a slave and then you are complaining. Life is about making decisions, taking time for yourself. Take time out in nature. Go to and realize life is happening despite your thoughts. Okay? It's not like nobody cares. But yes, nobody cares. Because everybody has got time for themselves. This is my time to you. Have fun.